Lecture 2 of 4, 7.2 compound angle. Okay, this learning outcomes. A, B, C, D. We're going to complete all for this lecture. Okay. For compound angle formula, you need to remember these three formula. Okay. Sine. Yes, sine A plus B. Sine A plus B. Sine A cos B plus cos A sine, or sine A minus B equals sine A cos B minus cos A sine. When that one is cos A plus B means that one is equal to cos A cos B minus plus, then this one is minus sine. Okay, for sine, this one is sine cos plus cos sine. But for cos A plus B, cos A cos B minus sine A sine B, and when cos A minus B, so that you can get cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. Okay, for the third formula is tangent. Tangent A plus B is equal to tangent A plus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A, tangent B. And the other one is tangent A minus B. Okay, this one is equal to tangent A minus tangent B over 1 plus tangent A, tangent B. Tangent A times tangent B. Okay, up here plus or minus. This is the three compound angle you need to remember. We're going to use the three compound angle. Okay. Double angle formula. Double angle formula is come from compound angle. Okay, let's see here. Sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. When B change to A, change to A, you can get sine 2A equal to sine A cos A plus cos A sine A, or sine A cos A. Sine A cos A plus sine A cos A means there is 2 sine A cos A. Okay, so just remember the first one, the previous the compound angle formula for sine. Just change B to A. Okay. For cos, same like the you still need to use the compound formula, that is cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and then substitute or change B to A. Now the answer is cos 2A was cos A times cos A squared minus sin A times sin A squared. Okay, still need to use the actual compound angle. Just replace the angle B to A. Okay, using the identity, substitute 1. Okay, so here is sin A squared is equal to 1 minus cos A squared. Then substitute, and now you get cos A squared minus 1 minus cos A squared. Cos A squared minus, so plus, get 2 cos A squared minus 1. Okay, that's how to derive this formula. So just remember one formula. The initial one is compound angle. Cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Or, okay, let's say you change to get rid of cos A squared. Okay, now cos A squared is equal to 1 minus sin A squared. Substitute to here or here. Okay, so now cos A squared is equal to 1 minus sin A squared minus sin A squared. Answer is 1 minus 2 sin A squared. Okay, so here double angle when cos to A is equal to, this is the basic one. This is okay. Starting here, you can using the identity trigo, this one. You just substitute, replace whatever you want. If you want all cos, just replace, use this one. If you want all sine, just use this one, substitute and get 1 minus 2 sine A squared. And then for tangent, okay, tangent is tangent A plus B is equal to tangent A plus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A times tangent B. When B replace to A, or replace and substitute A, then now you get tangent A plus tangent A is equal to 2 tangent A over 1 minus tangent A times tangent A. Tangent A. Okay, this is the double angle for tangent. Okay. Okay, and then when A, substitute A with A over 2, okay, from double angle, you get half angle formula. All the basic is come from the compound angle. So now sin A equals to sin A over 2 cos A over 2. Okay. And from the compound angle, sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now, okay, change A to half A, and then plus B to half A. Okay, substitute. Substitute. Sin A 1 over 2A plus 1 over 2A. Okay, and then is equal to sin A cos B, right? Plus cos B sin cos A sin B. So now A change to half A, B also change to half A, half A, half A. Now here sin half A cos A, half A plus, and this one sin A over 2 cos A over 2, right, is equal to sin A over 2 cos over 2 times cos A over 2. That one is multiply times. So you can exchange the position. Okay, now the answer is 2 sin A over 2 cos A over 2. Okay, this is half angle. Here is sin A. Half A plus half A equals A. Okay, settle for half angle for sine. The same procedure for cos A. Okay, for cos A, let's do together. Okay, starting cos. Cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now change A to half A, B to A over 2 half A. A over 2 plus A over 2 is equal to A. So cos A. Okay, substitute cos A equal to cos B minus sin A sin B. Now the A change to A over 2 plus A over 2. Cos A A over 2 cos B, A over 2, A over 2, A. We find cos. So this is A. Cos A over 2 times cos A over 2, so squared, minus sin A over 2, times sin over 2, squared. So this one is half angle for cos. Okay. Now here from the previous slide, when starting from here and then using the identity trigo, identity trigo, sin A squared plus cos A squared is equal to 1. Okay, substitute wherever you want. If you want all cos, instead you need to get rid of sin. Okay, when you want all this one sin, get rid of cos using the identity trigo. This one. Okay, settle. So for tangent, okay, tangent. So starting tangent, tangent A plus B is equal to tangent A plus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A, tangent B. Now this one change to A over 2, 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 A over 2. Then you get tangent A over 2 plus A over 2, tangent A. Tangent A over 2 plus tangent A over 2, so 2 tangent A over 2 over 1 minus tangent A over 2 times tangent A over 2, so square. Okay, settle for half angle for tangent, half angle for sine, half angle for cos. Okay. Okay, example 1. If sine A, okay, this one is shows that maybe in the first or second quadrant. Cos B positive, first or fourth quadrant. Okay, or A and B are two angles. So first quadrant. On the first quadrant, find without using calculator the value of tan A plus B, cos A minus B, and tan A plus B. Okay. And then the solution, given that sine A is equal to 3 over 5, cos B means at different angle is equal to 5 over 13. A, B, the acute angle, okay, so maybe less than 90 degrees. Okay, so for A, for sine A, okay, this is sine A. The triangle. Okay, the triangle. So as now this is A. Okay, sine 3, 5. Now you get here is addition is 4. Okay, so here is cos everything A, angle A. Cos A is equal to 4 over 5, and then tangent A is equal to 3 over. Okay, that one is for angle A. For angle B, okay, you can write like this. It's up to you as long as you understand this is triangle and this is angle B. Okay, so cos is 5 over 13. And here should be 12 using the Pythagoras theorem. So from here, you get sine B because of the tangent angle is B. Is B is equal to 12 over 13. Tangent B, everything in angle B is equal to 12 over. Okay, and then first equation is to find sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine. Then the next substitute sine A is equal to 3 over 5. Cos B 5 over 13 plus cos A. This is cos A 4 over 5. Sine B, 12 over, okay, important step, 15 over 65 plus 48 over 65. Then, okay, add this one, 63 over 65. Okay, for second, A, B is cos. Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Then cos A is equal to 4 over 5 cos B 5 over 13 plus sin A 3 over 5 sin B 12 over 13. So let's simplify. 20 over 65 plus 36 over 65, and you get the answer is 56 over 65. Okay, settle. For the third one is tangent. Tangent A plus B. That's right. Just right here. If it's here, okay. Tangent here. A plus B is equal to tangent A plus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A, tangent B. And then tangent A is equal to 3 over 4, tangent B 12 over 5, 1 minus tangent A 12 over 4, tangent B is 12 over 5. Okay, so tangent A plus B is equal to equate the denominator. Okay, 15 plus 48 over 20. Okay, over 1 minus 9 over 5. Okay, and then up here is 15 plus 48, 63 over 20 over 1 minus 9 over 4 is negative 4 over 5. And I simplify, you get 63 over 20 times negative 5 over 4. Simplify, cancel, get 4. So negative 63 over 16. Okay, this answer for tangent A plus B. Okay, settle. Okay. Example 2, simplify. Sin for x cos x minus cos for x sin x. Okay, this one is, let's say this is A. Same angle. Okay, before you proceed study the question, this is considered same angle. What's the B? Okay, looks like sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay, try to think about the compound angle because obviously sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. That one is equal to sin A minus B. Sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay, we use this compound angle. So now, okay, starting from left hand side, simplify this one, right? This is the actual one. This is the actual question. You need to start from here. Okay? And then write the question. Sin for x cos x minus cos for x sin x is equal to sin for x minus x. equal to sine 3x. Then done. The question is simplified in the simplest form. Settle. Example 3. Find the exact value without using calculator. Sine 15. Okay, sine 15 without using calculator means that now we going to use compound angle to solve this. Compound angle to solve this. So now for compound angle, you have sine A plus B or sine A minus B. Okay, compound angle. Then sine A plus B or sine A minus B. Okay, and the exact value means that you need to take the special angle. So like ada 0, okay, 30, 45, 60 or 9. Okay, you just use this angle and to find the sine 15. So let's say 15. So you use sine A plus B. Means that you say that sine 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5, we don't know what is 10. Sine 10, you know, because with this one, it's without using calculator. We need to use the basic angle or the special angle. Okay? And then let's say here is 45. 45 minus 30, you can make it 15. Or 60 minus 45. So you can get sine 15. Up to you. You can take this one is sine 15. And then you take sine 45 degree minus 30 or sine 15 is equal to sine 60 minus 45. Add one. Okay, so we're going to find sine 15. Sine 15 without using calculator. Okay, and then for here using the compound formula, so it is sine 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sine 30. Okay, if you use this one, it's equal to sine 60 cos 45 minus cos 45 sine 60. Okay, so now sine 60, sine 45, cos 30, you need to find that value. Either you can use the triangle. Okay, like the triangle. This is 60, 1, 2, 3, and here is 30. So now sine 60 here, 3 over 2. I'm going to use this. Okay, sine 30 here. Okay, just change your position. This is 30. Get 1 over 2. 1 over 2. Okay, and then what else? Cos 30. Cos 30. Okay, change here 30. Set 3. Okay, right. Okay, and so for 45 degree is 1 over set 2. Okay. Cos 45 or sine 45 is equal to 1 over set 2 or set 2 over 4. Okay, then substitute. This one is 1 over set 2 or set 2 over 2. Cos 30 is equal to set 3 over 2 minus cos 45 1 over set 2. Sine 30 is half. Half. And then simplify. Set 3 over 2 set 2 minus 1 over 2 set 2. Then set 3 minus 1 is over 2 set 2. This is answer. Just check. Double check using the alternative. This one, the alternative. Substitute. Sine 60 is equal to set 3 over 2 cos 45. 1 over sec 2. Here is actually cos 60 sin 45. So cos 60 is 1 over 2. Okay, complement. Okay, 1 over 2 sin 45, 1 over sec 2. Then sec 3 over 2 sec 2 minus 1 over 2 sec 2. Okay, answer is sec 3 minus 1 over 2 sec 2. And okay, get the same answer whatever you find either 45 minus 30 or 60 minus 45. S to S, but is sin 15 degree. Settle for A. Okay, so for the second part is tangent. Okay, tangent pi over 12. Let's say tangent pi over 12, you cannot figure out the number, you can change to degree. Okay, so you know that you want to change to degree. Let's say that pi is that 180 degree. What happened when pi over 12? So pi over 12 over pi times 180, and the answer is 180 over 12. So find the answer is 180 over 12. Okay, which means that either you find the first 45 minus 30 or 60 minus 45 to get 15. So 45 degree is equal to pi over 4. 60 degree is equal to pi over 3. 30 degree is equal to pi over 6. Okay, we try both alternative. Okay, tangent 15 okay, is equal to tangent 45. Okay, pi over 4 minus 30 pi over 6 to get tangent 15. Okay, so is equal to tangent A minus tangent B. Okay, then A minus B is equal to tangent A minus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A tangent B is compound formula. Okay, substitute tangent A pi over 4 minus tangent B pi over 6 over 1 minus 1 plus plus 1 plus tangent A times tangent B. Okay, then substitute the value. Tangent A, the value tangent angle. Okay, 60 degree 30. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Tangent 60, 3 over 1, 3. Tangent 30 here, 1 over 3. What else? Oh, tangent 45, we remember 1. Okay, then substitute the value. Tangent pi over 4 is 45, 1. Minus tangent pi over 6, tangent 30 is 1 over 3. 1 plus 1 over 3. Then simplify, taking the denominator. Okay, 3 plus 1. Skip. Okay, this one is 1 3 over 3, set 3 over set 3 minus 1 over set 3 over set 3 plus 1 over set 3. Now that equating the denominator and cancel gets 1. Okay, and the second part, let's say you choose tangent pi over 12, tangent 15 is equal to tangent 60 minus 45. Okay, is equal to tangent pi over 3, tangent A minus tangent B over 1 plus tangent A tangent B. Then the value is pi over 3 is equal to pi over 3 is 60. Tangent 60 is 3. Minus 1. Tangent 45 always 1. Okay. 1 plus 3. 1. Simplify. Okay. Is equal to 3 minus 1 over 1 plus 3. Same. Okay. Answer. So this is answer to find tangent pi over 12. If you cannot figure out the value, just change to 180. 180 over 12. Over 12. And get that. The answer is 15. Tangent 15. Just now, this answer consider not complete. Okay, times its conjugate 1 minus 3. The answer, the final answer is, okay, how to get this one? Okay, this one times this. Okay, 3. Okay, minus 3 minus 1 plus 3 over what is 1 minus 3 equal to 3 plus 3 to 3 negative 3 minus 1 minus 4 over negative 2. Okay, simplify negative, so 2 minus 3. Settle. Okay. Example 4. Given that sine A equals negative 8 over 17, A in the fourth quadrant, find the following without using calculator. Okay. Now we're going to find tangent to A and cos A over 2. Okay. Sine A equals negative 8 over 7. A lies in the fourth quadrant. It's cos positive. Okay. So using the Pythagoras theorem, okay, right this side, Pythagoras theorem. This is triangle. This is angle A. Okay, just take the one. Sine is 8 over 17. So using the Pythagoras theorem, 17 squared minus 8 squared, and find the square root, you get this one is equal to 15. Right? Okay, 17 squared minus 8 squared, and look at the 15. Okay, double check, and this down. So from here, cos A is 15 over 17 positive. Why? Because of in the fourth quadrant. Tangent A is equal to negative 8 over 15. Why negative? Because I'm in the fourth quadrant. Okay, now we're going to find tangent to A. Okay, and from here, okay, from the compound formula, tangent A plus B is equal to tangent A plus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A, tangent B, right? So now here is double angle. Tangent A plus tangent A to tangent A over 1 minus tangent A times tangent A, so square. Okay, tangent A equal to negative 8 over 15 over 1 minus negative 8 over 15 square. Okay, and then simplify. Okay, simplify. This one is equal to negative 16 over 15. Okay, now here, this one is equal to, simplify, 15 squared is equal to 225, right? Okay, so 225 positive, 64 over 225. 1 minus 64 over 225. Okay, simplify. Simplify. Negative 16 over 15 over 225. 225 minus 64 over 225. And simplify. Okay, so negative 16 over 15 times, this one is 225 minus 64. Okay, fine. Check. Answer is, try to find the value. 225 minus 64. Answer is this one, 225 over 1. I think it was 161. Okay, 161. Then simplify. Get negative. Okay, cancel. Okay, 15. And 15 times this one is equal to 240 over 160. Okay, ada answer. Okay, it's done. Okay, given that sine A is equal to negative 8 over 17. And then, using the Pythagoras theorem, just now you get cos A is equal to 15 over 70, right? Cos A. To find cos A over 2. Okay, this is our aim. Cos A over 2. Okay, so given cos A, okay, you have to derive to A over 2. Starting from cos A, using the double angle or half angle, find cos A over 2. So here is cos A. Let's say double angle, compound angle. Cos A plus B cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, or this one is A. Now change to cos. This one is A over 2. Yeah, right? A over 2, A over 2, A over 2, or change to A over 2, A over 2. Now the angle is A over 2 plus A over 2 is cos A. Cos A over 2 times cos A over 2, cos A over 2 squared minus sin A over 2 squared. Okay, you want only this part. Okay, cos. To get rid of sin. You want to get rid of using the identity trigo. So we're going to get rid of sin A squared. Okay, so sin A squared is equal to 1 minus cos A squared. Now the angle change to A over 2, A over 2, A over 2. Okay, and substitute. Okay, here is, okay, I write here, okay, is equal to cos A over 2 squared minus sin A over 2 squared. And then here is, okay, change to cos using the identity. Okay, cos A over 2 squared minus 1 minus cos A over 2 squared. Okay, this is one. Simplify. Okay, negative plus cos 2 cos A over 2 squared minus 1. Okay, we want to find cos A over 2. Take this one as a subject. Okay, take to the left. Okay, so now 2 cos A over 2 squared is equal to, okay, here is 1 minus 1 plus, okay, bring 1 to the left, see, cos A. Oh, cos A is equal to 15, 15, cos A is equal to 15 over 17, okay, and then 1 plus 15 over 17, okay, then simplify, 17 plus 15, we get 32 over 17. Okay, the next step is, okay, we are going to find cos A over 2 squared. A means that divide by 2 is equal to 16 over 17. Okay, not sure, continue. Okay, yeah, yeah. So cos A over 2 is equal to plus minus 16 over 17. Okay, then simplify. Plus minus 4 over 17. Okay, and then check because of A lies in the fourth quadrant. Okay, in the fourth quadrant. Okay, A lies in the fourth quadrant. I write here. The fourth quadrant. A lies in the fourth quadrant is starting from 270 degree to 360, right? Okay, we're going to find A over 2 because of the angle now is A over 2. So all divide by 2. So 135. Here is 180. Okay, means that A over 2 lies between 135 degree to 180. 135 is somewhere here in the second quadrant. When cos in the second quadrant is negative. So now choose the negative answer. Okay, so cos A over 2 is equal to negative 4 over 17. Okay, I hope you understand. First thing, okay, find given sin A equals negative 8 over 17. Then using the Pythagoras theorem, okay, triangle, find cos A. Cos A equals 15 over 17. And now the question asks you to find cos A over 2. Using the compound angle or double angle, starting from cos A half angle, cos A is equal to cos A over 2 squared minus sin A over 2 squared. So you want to get rid of this part using the identity. Okay, here. Then until you get here, all everything in the cos A over 2 squared. Take this one as a subject. Okay, now here actually you can replace cos A is equal to 15 over 7. This one cos A. Then simplify. And then next last, okay, find cos A over 2 is equal to plus or minus. The two answers, plus or minus 4 over 17. But you need to check. The actual one is given angle A. Angle A is in the fourth quadrant. That one is angle A. So angle A lies between 270 degree to up to 360. The next step, you want to find angle half of A. Means that A over 2. Not A. Okay, means that all this one divide by 2. A over 2, angle A over 2 lies between 135 degree to 180 degree. This angle lies in the second quadrant. For cos, the second quadrant gives answer in negative value. So between the two answers, you need to choose negative. Why? Because of cos A over 2 now lies in the second quadrant. Even though cos A lies in the fourth quadrant, but you want half angle. Okay? Okay. You take your time to understand. Okay? Example 5. Find the exact value of 2 tangent 67.5 degree over 1 minus tangent 67.5 degree squared. Okay. So this one looks like a double angle. Okay. Double angle. Tangent to A equals 2 tangent A over 1 minus tangent A squared. We're going to use this. Okay. Now starting from right to left. Okay. This one is 2 tangent 67.5 degree. Okay. 1 minus tangent 67.5 degree squared is equal to tangent to this one A now becomes 67.5 degree. Simplify. Equal to 2 times 67.5. 67 times 0.5 times 2 and 3. Okay. Then tangent 135. Okay, this is 90. Somewhere here. So this is 135. Okay. This line lies in the second quadrant. Okay, basic angle is 180 minus 135 is equal to 45. And then this one is equal to tangent, also tangent, tangent 45 degree. Because of landing, the line lies in the second quadrant. That one is negative for tangent. Okay, tangent 45 is equal to 1. So, negative 1. Answer is negative 1. Better. For example, 5. Prove the identity sin x plus y over cos x. Cos tangent x plus tangent y. Okay. So proof, we can start left to right or right to left. Okay, so let's say I want to start left hand side. Sin x plus y over cos x cos y. Okay, this one is similar. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B over cos x cos y. And then show that one is equal to tangent. So separate two terms. Sin x cos y over cos x y plus one term. Okay. Then the other one is this one. Okay. Cos x sin y over cos x cos y. Then this one equal, right? Cancel. Also equal, cancel. So you can, this one answer is sin x over cos x plus sin y over cos y. Sin x over cos x is equal to tangent x. Sin y over cos y is equal to tangent y. Soon. Better. Okay, let's see, want to try from right hand side. Let's try. Tangent x plus tangent y. We're going to prove same like left hand side. So here is okay, sin x over cos x, just reverse. Okay, plus sin y over cos y. Okay, and then equating the denominator. Okay, then you get sin x cos y plus cos x sin y over cos x cos y. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is equal to sin A plus B over cos x y. Okay, and show. Okay, still remember the compound angle. Sin A plus B sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Just use this one. Okay, the first one, the compound formula, and you can prove either from left show right or right show left. Okay. A compound angle formula. Sin A plus B, A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B. So now, okay, from the equation 1, okay, plus equation 2, you get this one. Equation 1 minus equation 2, equation 3 plus equation 4, and equation 3 minus equation 4. Okay, so you have sin A plus B plus sin A minus B equals to sin A. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B is equal to cos 2 cos A sin A. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is equal to 2 cos A plus B. Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B is equal to negative 2 sin A sin B. Okay, you have to remember this formula given. Okay, and then let A plus B is equal to P. A minus B is equal to Q. Okay. Okay, and then using this one, and then substitute, you get in this form. This is this one, the new factor formula. You need to remember this one. So sin P plus sin Q is equal to 2 sin P plus Q. Okay, sin plus sin equals 2 sin cos. Sin minus sin equals 2 sin 2 cos sin. Cos plus cos equal to cos cos. Cos minus cos equals negative 2 sin sin. Okay. S plus S to SC. S minus S to CS. C plus C to CC. C minus C negative 2 SS. Okay. And then express sin 6 theta plus sin 4 theta as the product of two trigo function. So we want to express 6 theta plus 4 sin 4 theta as the product of two trigo. So now sin 6 theta plus sin 4 theta. As now, S plus S is equal to 2 SC, right? Okay, is equal to 2 Sine 6 theta plus 4 theta over 2 times cos 6 theta minus 4 theta over 2. Okay, is equal to 2 sine tan 5 theta cos 2 over 2 theta. Okay, so this one is the answer. The formula, sum to product. Okay, just substitute. Then get the answer. Express, okay, for cos 3 theta, cos 5 theta as the sum of two trigo identity from product to sum. Okay, just now example 7 from sum to product. So this one is product sum. Okay, product to sum. Product to sum. Product to sum. Product to sum. This up here sum. Sum to product. Yes, sum to product. Okay, sum to product. Product, sum to product. Yes, all this is factor formula. All this. Okay, either sum to product or product to sum. Okay, now let's answer example 8. Express this one as sum of two trigo function given in product. You want to change to sum, so you need to use the blue one. Okay, cos. This one cos. Okay, this one, the third one. We're going to use cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is equal to 2 cos A cos B, or okay, 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. A is equal to 3x. Okay, B equals to 5x, or you change to 4 cos 5x times cos 3x. Easy, right? Okay, it's okay. Continue. Okay, so now 2 cos 3x cos 5x cos 3x plus 5x plus cos 3x minus 5x. So since this one is 4 times 2, and that's need to times 2 for 4. Okay, and then here is 4 on the left hand side, 4 cos 3x cos 5x equal to, okay, simplify, 2 cos 8x plus cos negative 2x. Okay, and simplify, 2 cos 8x plus cos 2x. Okay, here negative cos negative 2x is equal to positive 2x. Okay, done. So example 9, prove the following identities A, B. So we try A. Start to from left hand side, show right hand side. Okay, so for A, from left hand side, sign something, sign A plus sign. Okay, sine plus sine is equal to 2 sine cos, right? And then C plus C. C plus C is equal to 2 C. Okay, so now that one is equal to from sum to product. Okay, and then sine 7A plus sine 3A. to sine 7a plus 3a over 2 times cos 7a minus 3a over 2 over this one 2c plus c equals to cc. 2 cos 7a plus 3a over 2 times cos 7a minus 3a over 2. Simplify, cancel. This one is equal to sine 10 over 2 is 5a cos 7 minus 3 for 2a, and then over cos 5a times cos 2a, and then now this one cancel, and the answer is sine 5a over cos 5a. This one is equal to tangent 5a. So, right hand side. So, settle for part A. For B, to show cos 15 degree minus sine 15 degree is equal to 1 over sec 2. So this one is equal to cos minus cos. Cos minus cos is not in the factor formula. You have sine plus sine or sine plus sine equal to 2 sine cos, or sine minus sine is equal to 2 cos sine, or cos plus cos is equal to 2 cos cos, or the fourth one is cos minus cos is equal to negative 2 sine sine. So now here is cos minus sine. Either you change all to cos minus cos or sine minus sine. So now let's say you want to change to cos. Sine 15 degree to cos. So sine 15 degree is equal to cos cos 75. Because that one is complement. So now change to is equal to cos 15 minus cos 75 degree. So cos minus cos is equal to negative 2 sine sine. So is equal to negative 2 sine 15 degree plus 75 by 2 times sine 15 degree minus 75 degree over 2. Simplify. Negative 2 sine 15 plus 75 is equal to 90. 90 over 2, 40 sine 45 degree times sine 15 minus 75 is equal to negative 60. Negative 60 divided by 2, negative 30. And this one is negative. Negative sine negative. Sine negative 30 plus in the from negative starting here clockwise direction. 30 is equal to sine 30 and lies in the fourth quadrant, so that is negative. So you can find this one is equal to negative half. Okay. So it's equal to negative 2 sine 45. Okay, this one is equal to sine 30, negative, negative, positive. Oh, that's fine, negative half. Okay, and substitute the value to sine 45 is equal to 1 over sec 2, and sine 30 is equal to half. And cancel 2, it's 2, and answer is equal to 1 over sec 2. Okay. Oh, here is one. Okay, negative 2 sine 45 times sine negative 30 is equal to negative 2 times 1 over sec 2 times negative half. Negative half. Cancel 1 over sec 2. And settle for this part. Okay. Sine plus sine, 2 sine cos, sine minus sine, 2 cos sine, cos plus cos, 2 cos cos, cos minus cos, negative 2 sine sine. Okay, the previous solution is changed to all the cos cos. Okay, you use this one, cos minus cos. Now try to change to sine. This one to sine. Okay. Cos 15 is equal to sine 90 minus 15 minus sine 15 equal to sine 75 minus sine 15. And now we're going to use this one. This part, okay? Sine minus sine. Okay. So is equal to sine minus sine is equal to 2 cos 75 plus 15 over 2 times sine 75 minus 15 degree over 2. Simplify cos 90 over 2, 45. Sine 60 over 2 is equal to 30. So here is 1 over sec 2 and sine 30 is equal to half. And then cancel. Okay, it's equal to 1 over sec. Done. So you have two methods to solve to show this cos 15 degree minus sine 15 degree is equal to 1 over sec. Okay, done. Settle.